guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tika Rebel here, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing the makeup look matching my head wrap. If you want to know where I got this head wrap from, I got it from Amazon, and I'll make sure I'll link it down below for you guys. So now I'm using my Dip Brow, Anastasia in chocolate, and I'm using Anastasia's clear brow gel. I layer the brow gel on first, make sure it dries, and then I start filling in my eyebrows with that Dip Brow. If you want me to do a tutorial on this, let me know down below. Next, I use P. Louise base in number 5 and number 6, and I mix that together, and I use that as my under eye concealer. I use it for my under eye and for the top of my eyebrows to clean them up. If you don't have any of the P. Louise bases, trust me, invest into it and get it. It's definitely worth the hype. So one eyebrow done. I'm going to do the other one off camera. Boom, done. So this is the eye look I came up with, and I'm going to show you how I did it, with my other eye. So this is the P. Louise blank canvas, and this is another thing that you should invest in. It's so good. So I use with a fluffy brush to lay that down on my eye. So I lost the clip to my first transition look. I used Moves, and now I'm using Lucy for my crease. And just pack that on, and then just blend your crease with the first transition color. And then I use a fluffy brush with nothing on it and just blend those two colors together. So next thing I do, I use Marcel water and a Q-tip, and I just cut my crease. And I find this the easiest way for me to do it. And another thing, when you cut your crease, take your time. You have to take your time, and if you have trouble doing cut crease, just practice. That's what I do. I literally practice all the time doing my cut crease, and I take my time. The video's going fast, but I'm really going slow. I'm really taking my time. And then I'm just filling it in with that blank canvas again. And just patting it in to make sure there's no creases. So next I'm taking Trini, and I'm going to pack that color into my crease that I just cut. Now I'm just cutting out that wing with that Q-tip and mustard water. Now I'm using the Morphe concealer to draw in my wing. I should have used the blank canvas again because I realized like the concealer, it dries down somewhat, but it doesn't dry down like the blank canvas. And the glitter started getting a little patchy towards the end, but I know next time just to keep using the blank canvas. Now I'm taking Makeup by Yolondo's white eyeliner, and I'm going to outline that wing. Now I'm taking Gem Rock Universal by Playing in Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm going to take that color Trophy and pack that in my wing. Now I'm taking J. LaRue 24K Gold glitter and NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to pack that glitter in that wing. These eyelashes are from The Balm Cosmetics on Instagram. I'll link them down below, and these lashes are called Jocelyn. If you guys hear any background noises, I live in Brooklyn, New York, and they're doing construction, so yeah. So now I'm using my primer by Fenty and my Milk Moisturizer, and my foundation that I use is L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in 515. For my concealer, I use Too Faced in Maple and Chestnut. And if you guys want me to film a foundation routine, well, my foundation routine, let me know down below in the comments. Now I'm using Makeup by Yolondo's the Mixed Race Contour Palette. Now I'm using Tatcha Spray so I can get a glowy look. And I'm using my favorite highlight from this palette, the Carly Bridal palette from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm using MAC lip liner in Chestnut and this lip gloss. So now I'm using the two same colors that I used for my transition and crease on my under eye. So now I'm using Fenty's mascara, and I also added white to my waterline. And yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content and more videos, because we're about to get it popping. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa, break a nigga